Hello students, today I will start exercise number 11.3. Before I started the questions of 11.3 exercise, students you have to prepare each and every formulas from the chapter number 11. Let's see the question number 1. There are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. Which box requires the lesser amount of material to make? Students, you can see this is the A part figure, this is the B part figure. In the A part figure, L's value is 60 centimeter, B's value is 40 centimeter and H's value is 50 centimeter. Let's see the solution of the given question. Then you have to put the formula, that is total surface area of cuboid. The formula is 2 bracket L into B plus B into H plus L into H. Then students you have to put the value of L, B and H in this formula. And after putting the values in this formula, the value is 14,800. Similarly students, you have to put the values of L, B, H in the formula. Then the total surface area of this box is 15,000 centimeter square. And now students, you can see clearly which box has the lesser amount. You can see A parts box is lesser amount. Let's see the question number 2. The question number 2 is a suitcase with measure 80 centimeter, 48 centimeter and 24 centimeter. This is the length of the suitcase, this is the breadth of the suitcase and this is the height of the suitcase, as you can see here. Then students, you have to put the formula, that is total surface area of the suitcase box. The formula is 2 bracket L into B plus B into H plus L into H. Then students, you have to put the values in the formula and after solving it, its value is 13,824 centimeter square. Now students, read the rest part of the question. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 90 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcases? Let's see the rest part of this question. Now students, you have to put the formula of area of cloth, that is L into B. L's value is given in the question, that is 80 centimeter and B's value is given. Students, you can see here width is given but L's value is not given. So width is 96, we can put it from the question, and L as L. And student, this is the area. You can see this area, we have to put it here. Then after solving it, we can find the value of length, that means 144 centimeter. So students, required tarpaulin for 100 suitcases equal to, this is the length value, that means 100, and how many suitcases we have to require? 100. So 144 multiplied by 100, that means 14,400 centimeter, and when we convert into meter, its value will be 144 meter. So tarpaulin cloth required to cover 100 suitcases is 144 meter. Let's see the next question. Question number 3 is find the side of the cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. Student, you can see surface area's value is given 600 centimeter square and the formula of the surface area of cube is equal to 6 into side square. Now student, put the values in the formula. You can see area's value is given and formula is 6 into side square. So we can find the value of the side, that means 10 centimeter. So the side of the cube will be 10 centimeter. Let's see the question number 4. When this is the question number 4. In this figure, you can see L's value is 2 meter, B's value is 1 centimeter and H value is 1.5 meter. Then student, easily you have to use the formula, that is surface area of cabinet. Then what formula we have to use? L into B plus 2 bracket BH plus LH. Students, now you have to put the values in the formula and after solving it, its value will be 11 meter square. That means the required surface area of cabinet is 11 meter square. Let's see the next question. Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of cuboidal hall with length, breadth and height that is 15 meter, 10 meter and 7 meter. Student, you can see from the question length value is given, breadth value is given and height value is given. Let's see the rest solution of the question. Then you have to find out the total surface area of the classroom. The formula is L into B plus 2 bracket BH plus LH. Now student, after putting the values in the formula, the value is 500 meter square. So when we find out the required number of canes, that means area of hall upon area of one cane. Area of one cane is given in the question, that is 100, and area of hall we can see this value is the area of hall. That means after solving it, its value is 5 cans. So in the last we can say that 5 cans are required to paint the room. Let's see the next question, students. In the question number 6, you can see these two figures are given. So firstly, let's see the given values. The diameter of cylinder is given, that is 7 centimeter. Because diameter is given, we can find out the radius of the cylinder easily. Diameter upon 2, that means 7 upon 2. Students, you can see the height of the cylinder is also given, that is 7 centimeter. Now lateral surface area of a cylinder. The formula of the lateral surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Student, as we know that pi's value is 22 upon 7. Then r's value is given in the question, that is 7 upon 2, and h value is given in the question also, that is 7. And after solving it, its value is 154 centimeter square. Now students, we have to find out the lateral surface area of this cube. As we know that the formula of lateral surface area of the cube is 4 into side square. Side's value is 7 centimeter. That means 4 multiply 7 square. The solution is 196 centimeter square. So easily we can say that the cube has the larger lateral surface area because cube's value is greater than the cylinder's value. Now students, let's see the question number 7. A closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height is 3 meter is made from a sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal is required? In this figure you can see radius value is given 7 meter and height is given 3 meter. As we know that the total surface area of cylindrical tank is 2 pi r bracket h plus r. Now students, you have to put the values in this formula, and after solving it, its value is 440 meter square. I think now students, you are able to solve rest of the part of this given exercise. Thank you. Let's see students exercise number 11.4. The question number 1 is given a cylindrical tank, in which situation will you find surface area and in which situation volume. A is to find how much it can hold. Let's see the solution of A part. Because how much it can hold, that means this is a volume. The B part is number of cement bags required to plaster it. That means it is a surface area. And the C part is to find the number of smaller tank that can be filled with water from it. That means it is also a volume. Let's see the solution again. We find area when a region covered by a boundary such as outer and inner surface area of a cylinder, a cone and a sphere of wall or floor. When the amount of space occupied by an object such as water, milk, coffee, tea and etc., then we have to find out volume of the object. The A part is volume, B part will be surface area and the C part will be volume. Let's see the question number 2. This is the question number 2, students. Let's see the answer of the given question. As we know that from the question, the diameter of cylinder is given, that is 7 centimeter. Now students, see the rest part of the question. Because diameter is given, then we can find out the radius of the cylinder, that is 7 upon 2, and the height is also given, that is 14 centimeter. Student, then we can put the formula, that is volume of cylinder A. The volume of cylinder is formula is pi r square h. Pi's value is 22 upon 7, r's value is given in the figure, that is 7 upon 2, and h value is 14 centimeter, and after solving it, its value is 539 centimeter cube. Now students, from the figure B, when we put the values in the figure B, then we can see the volume of cylinder of figure B, that is 1078 centimeter cube. Now students, we have to find out the total surface area of cylinder A. The total surface area of cylinder A's formula is pi r bracket 2h plus r, and after this we have to put the values in this formula. Then we can see its value is 346.5 centimeter square. Similarly, we have to use again for the cylinder B, the formula will be same, that means total surface area of cylinder B pi r bracket 2h plus r, and after solving it, its value is 462 centimeter square. Easily we can say that cylinder with greater volume also has greater surface area. Now students, let's see the question number 3. In this question we have to find out the height of cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeter square and volume is 900 centimeter cube. Let's see the solution of the given question. Base area is given and volume of cuboid is given in this question. As we know that volume of cuboid formula is L into B into H. Student, as we know that L into B is the area of the base, that means L into B, and area of the base is given, that is 180. So we can put L into B's value 180 and volume is given also in the question, that is 900, and from this we can simply find the value of height from here. So the height of the cuboid is 5 meter. Let's see the question number 4. A cuboid of dimensions, that is 60 centimeter, 54 centimeter and 30 centimeter. These are the L, B and H of the cuboid. So simply firstly we have to find out the volume of cuboid, that means L into B into H. You can see from here. And then the question told you how many small cubes with side 6 centimeter. Then we have to find out the volume of cube. Volume of cube's formula is side cube, because side is given 6 centimeter. So we have to put the value of side here, that means 6 into 6 into 6. And then for the small cubes we have to divide the volume of cuboid upon volume of cube. That means volume of cuboid's value is 60 into 54 into 30 and volume of cube's value is 6 into 6 into 6. That means 450. So we can say in the last the required cubes are 450. Now students, let's see the question number 5. In this question also we have to find out the height of the cylinder whose volume is given and whose diameter is given. Student, because diameter is here 140 centimeter, so firstly we have to find out the radius, that is 140 upon 2, that means 70 centimeter. And then students, we have to convert the radius into meter, because it is given in the centimeter, and when we convert the centimeter into meter, its value will be 0.7 meter. Now student, we have to put the formula, that is volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Volume of cylinder is given 1.54, pi's value is 22 upon 7, r's value is 0.7, and we have to find out the height of the cylinder, and after solving it, its value is 1 meter. So in the last we can say the height of the cylinder is 1 meter. Now I hope you are able to solve each and every question of this given exercise and try to solve rest part of the given exercise. Thank you students.